Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.
It's a travesty. These words from Chief Judge Ramona Manglotnia, she expressed frustration over wasted efforts and resources. On Friday morning, as anticipated, she declared a mistrial in the case against Mark Smith and co-defendant Glenn Wong. Smith, who was former legal counsel for the Guam Housing and Urban Renewal Authority, was also a Section 8 landlord. According to court filings, Smith transferred his properties to Wong, whom he shared bank accounts with, in an effort to conceal the conflict from the feds. Along with the mistrial, Smith's attorney, David Lujan, was disqualified from the case. At issue is Lujan's history as a GHURA attorney and also a Section 8 landlord. Unlike Smith, however, Lujan disclosed his conflicts up front. The government on Thursday argued they would need to disclose Lujan's past to jurors, while defense argued doing so would make Lujan a liability to his client.
Whatever happened between me and GHURA in 2003 to 2007 or 8 has absolutely nothing to do with Mark Smith. Has no relevance to Mark Smith's case. Okay? Then in the trial, the government, rather the court, allows the government to introduce, evidence that shows that, talks about me, and that's where the problems began.
Following Friday's hearing, Lujan reiterated he'd rather go to jail than testify against his client as a government witness.
I'm serious, I mean it. You think that I will take the witness stand and talk about a client? Huh? There's no way in hell that I will testify against a client, whether it's Mark Smith or any other client. It's a victorious day for the government today to get rid of me. Okay, that's what this was all about.
Wong's counsel, James Maher, meanwhile, may continue in the case. He, too, expressed disappointment in the court for what defense argues is a violation of attorney-client privilege.
It's kind of shameful that the government would do this sort of thing, destroy an attorney-client relationship and then be so obvious about it.
While Smith was ordered to secure conflict-free counsel, Lujan says they're not giving up just yet.
I don't care who's Mark Smith's lawyer. The government has no case at all. And we will appeal this, find a way, see if we can appeal this issue. Because as far as we're concerned, the court is wrong.
Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.